ones. Today we are going to be doing another Weee haul. If you guys are not familiar with Weee, it is basically an online Asian grocery store, and they have everything imaginable from ramen to boba drinks to snacks to baking ingredients, cooking ingredients, all kinds of Asian food and Hispanic food as well. And you guys, it's kind of been my obsession lately. There were so many good things that I had from my last haul. There might be a couple repeat things in this one, but I wanted to share this with you guys because I had so much fun doing this video, and it's just a website that I cannot stop checking. Like every couple days I'll check to see if they have new stuff in stock, and it's just really fun, and their prices are really great. So they do have a offer going on right now. You can get $20 off your first order and get free shipping, and I have the referral link below. If you guys are interested in trying anything, definitely check that out below. But let's get started and I'll show you everything that I got from this order. So the first thing I got is a repeat purchase. This is from Inotea, and it is called the brown sugar bubble tea. I love these so much. I bought 2 more of them. I thought that these are really good and very inexpensive. Let me see what I paid for these. These were $2.79 a piece. Now, considering like if you were to go to like a boba tea shop, you would easily spend like, you know, $7, $8, $9, $10 for one boba tea. And I noticed that they have new flavors of these, so I did pick up one new flavor just because I've always kind of wondered what this tasted like, and I don't really have much of a baseline comparison. This one is the taro flavored one. I think they also have banana and honeydew, and there was another one, matcha. So I decided to go with the taro one because taro is a very popular flavor in Asian snacks and foods and all kinds of things, but I don't really know what taro is. I think it's kind of, I know it's like a root vegetable. I think it's supposed to be similar to like a potato, but I really have no idea what it's going to taste like, if I'm going to like it or not. But we are going to taste this one and see what we think. This one was $2.89. It was only like 10 cents more. So as I figured out from the last time I tried this, I do prefer putting it into a cup. So I'm just going to kind of give it a little light shake. It does say to shake it up, but you do want to be careful because obviously it is a can. This, I'm going to hold it very carefully. It's very full. This is what it looks like. It is that same brown color. I didn't know if it'd be purple or not. I don't know what I was expecting, but there are little bobas in here. I want to drink a little bit so I don't spill anymore. That flavor is really good. I don't know how to describe it. To be honest, it doesn't taste that different than the brown sugar one from my memory, but it has been a little bit. But this one is very good too. It's very creamy and like lightly sweet. It really, I don't know, it doesn't have much of a different flavor, but I do really like this one. But I definitely like this. I could totally see myself buying this one. Maybe next time I will try one of the different flavors, the banana, the honeydew, or matcha. And I couldn't help myself. I got 3 more cans, but these are a different brand. This is from the brand Rico, and I got 3 different flavors of these. So the first one I got, this is called the bubble milk tea. This one's also taro flavored. I can't wait to try this one. This one was $1.39, so it's a little smaller and a little less expensive than the Inotea one. But I got that one, and then I also got, I think this is just their original one. It's called bubble milk tea. That one was $1.39, and then the last one I got, this one is also called bubble milk tea, but this one's called the Thai tea flavor, and also $1.39. So I can't wait to try these and see like flavor wise what they taste like. But honestly, if they're as good as the other ones, I'm sure I'm gonna love it. But I'm gonna have to try this another time. This is way too much boba tea for one day. The next thing I got kind of goes along with like a boba tea thing, and this was actually like one of those like last minute purchases. I was about to check out and then they pop up like, oh, what about these things? And this kind of caught my eye. And this is from the brand Nokchawon, and this is called the black sugar syrup. So I don't know, it kind of just caught my eye. This one was a little bit more expensive. This was $7.49, but it is a fairly large bottle. I feel like this would last a while. But I think this would be good for like making my own little boba teas at home and stuff, adding just a little bit of that syrup there. You can kind of see in the picture. I don't know. I can't wait to try this. I don't know what it's going to be like. Again, it was kind of like a last minute impulsive purchase, but since I do have those other instant boba tea packets from my last haul, I thought this might be something interesting to add to it, to kind of make it a little more fancy or something. So I'll have to let you guys know and update you on what this is like. Black sugar syrup sounds like really good. All right, and the last of the boba tea things that I got, this I had to get. I wanted to get this last time, but I decided against it. This is from the brand J Basket, and it's called the Black Tea Instant Boba Kit. They did have a few different flavors in here. This one was $7.99, and I think it is a like 3 3 boba drink kind of kit. You can make 3 of them out of this. This one is the black tea one. I think they also had like a matcha and maybe a taro on that one as well. It says it comes with 3 packets of the milk tea powder, 3 packets of the boba pearls, and 3 boba straws. So it makes 3 of the drinks here. And this one I think was kind of similar to what I was wanting the last one to be that I ordered, that I thought had boba tea pearls in it, but it didn't. So this one actually does come with the boba pearls. So I'm sure I will try this sometime and let you guys know what I think about this as well, but I had to get it. Oh, and I lied, I have 2 more boba tea related products. These are by WuFuYuan. These are called the black sugar flavor tapioca pearls. So these are kind of like ready in 5-minute little pearls. I ended up getting 2 packets of these because I love boba tea so much. You can kind of see on the back, this is what they look like. These were $2.99 a piece. So I think these will be a good option for the boba tea and making my own at home. And honestly, you know, for $3 a bag, I feel like that's not bad. I feel like this would probably last me a good amount if I don't go crazy on the boba. So this is from a brand called SHJ, and it's called Cream Filled Taro Wafers. This was $5.09, and I did not realize how big this pack was gonna be. Like, it kind of shook me. Okay, this is how big it is. Like, this is the size of my head. These are little taro wafers. Again, I just don't know like what taro tastes like. But these are little wafer packs and I want to try them. I think there's like 18 or 20 little packs in here, which kind of surprised me because this was a lot bigger than I was expecting. I didn't know how many would be in there. And this is what the individual little packet looks like. It says 60% filled. I don't really know what that means. And it's just a taro wafer. So let's crack it open and I'll tell you guys what I think about it. Okay, so this is what it looks like in the little package. You get 2 of the wafers. They are like kind of larger than like your typical like little wafer crackers that like, okay, my grandma always had those little wafer cookies around and I loved those things. She always had like the strawberry ones. So I really like these types of little wafer candies. They're just so good. But this is what it looks like. And they're very thinly filled. It does have like a slightly like lavender kind of color to it, but let's try it. Okay, I really like these. Again, I don't know what taro is supposed to taste like, but this just has a very light, like sweet, creamy kind of flavor. Most of the flavor is kind of coming from the wafer and it tastes just like any other kind of like little wafer cracker cookie kind of thing. But it's so delicate and so light and so, it's good. I really enjoyed these. The only thing is I don't think they're that like unique or special because honestly, it does kind of taste very similar to like a typical little wafer cookie you would find like at your grocery store, but it is really good though. I like it. Okay, the next thing I got is a pack of hot pot noodles. Now I did get some from the last haul that I had. They were like these sweet potato noodles. They were very interesting. I had them the other night. They were actually really good and I liked those. I don't know if I'd buy those again though, but I did really enjoy the flavor. And the noodles, they were so different than anything I've ever had because they were very like gummy and chewy, and I know that sounds like kind of weird, but like it was in a good way. It was very, very good. So I got another pack to try. This one is their hot and sour rice noodles. You can kind of see down here at the bottom, there's the noodle pack, there's the hot pot sauce mix, and there's like little dehydrated stuff you can add into it. And this was $2.39 for the pack. I can't wait to try this because I did enjoy the first one. The flavor was really good. It was spicy, but I enjoyed it a lot, and the sweet potato noodles were so different. I didn't know what they would taste like being a sweet potato noodle, but it really didn't have much flavor to the noodle itself. It's really like the broth and the soup that really kind of gave it all the flavor, and it was very good. So I'm sure I will enjoy this one too. I can't wait to try this one, and I like these little packs because it was just so convenient and easy. The only thing I will say though is that the instructions on the back can be a little hard to follow because they are in Chinese, but they also have the English translation, but the English translation wasn't very good. So it was a little hard to follow like what I needed to do to cook it. And like it didn't really give like how much you need to put in stuff or how long. So it was just a little bit awkward, but overall you can kind of figure it out. And now we're going to move on to my favorite part, the chips. We're going to do some more different Lay's chips tasting. And you guys, we had really good luck with the last batch that I tried. Like I really enjoyed most of the chips that I got. There weren't any of them that I just thought was gross or just disgusting. So I was very, very shocked by that. I got some more flavors we're gonna try and let's see what we think of these. Okay, so I did have a repeat purchase, so I'm not gonna try these because I already tried them in the last one, but I do want to share them because you guys, I love these so much. I bought 2 more of them. This one was the Lay's Thailand, and these are the Miang Krobros. I can't, guys, I still don't know how you pronounce this. I got 2 of these because I enjoyed these so much, you guys. This is like the most different flavor potato chip I've ever tried, but I thoroughly enjoyed these and I cleaned off that bag so quickly. I had to get a few more, so these are the ones I got. These were $2.09 a piece. Okay guys, the first one we're gonna try, this one is, I think it's from Lay's China. This one is called the spicy crawfish flavor. I've never had crawfish. I think I'm gonna like this because I liked all of the other chips that I tried, so I'm sure I'm gonna enjoy this. This one was $2.39 for this bag, so let's try it. Wow, this one has the most fishy flavor, or smell rather, than any of the other ones I tried. And we did try a few fishy flavored ones last time, but this one definitely has like a little bit of like an oceany kind of scent to it. Okay, so we've got the chip. Let's see what it tastes like. Okay, flavor-wise, I don't mind it, but it's definitely one of the more fishier tasting ones, which is kind of surprising me because we tried like the lobster one last time, like a grilled squid one. Look at this chip. Oh my god, it's like completely like rounded and puffed up. I love these chips. This one does have that little spicy kick at the end, which I do enjoy. Makes sense with the spicy crawfish flavor. I like this one. I don't really think I'd buy this one again though. Yeah, I think if you're more into like seafoody kind of flavors, I think you'd really enjoy this one. And what I like is that the spice is very quick. Like you taste it and then it's almost immediately gone. So it's not one of those chips that feels like the flavor or the heat rather from the spice is gonna like build and build and build upon itself. The numb and spicy hot pot chips I tried last time were like that. The more you ate them, the spicier they got. But these just gonna have like a quick in and out kind of spice, which is nice. Okay, going on with more fishy flavored ones. This is again, I think from Lay's China. This one is the pickled fish flavor. I don't know what to expect with this one. This one was $2.49 for this bag. Okay, the first smell smells a lot like the garlic oyster Lays that we tried in the last one. It has a very similar smell to that one. Overall, like very herby, a little garlicky. It doesn't necessarily taste as fishy as the last one did to me. This one does have a little bit of spice to it, which the garlic one didn't have. Again, I like the flavor of this one. I don't think I'd purchase it again, but I don't know, the more that I eat the like fishy seafoody kind of ones, the more similar they start to taste to me. This one is called the fried crab flavor. This one was $2.39. I like the color of this bag, it's so pretty. Okay, let's see what the fried crab flavor is all about. Okay, I do really like this one. It has a subtly different flavor than the other ones. I like this one. I could totally see myself buying another bag of this one. Really doesn't have much spice to it, which is good if you don't like spice. Yeah, I enjoy that one. That one was really good too. It definitely gives me more of that like kind of like a crab stick like flavor and stuff. Like it's kind of giving me a little bit more than that, whereas the other ones were a little more, I don't know, just like a tilapia kind of taste. This is just called roasted fish flavor. This one is again from Lay's China. And the price of that one was $2.49. Ooh, this one does have a slightly different like scent to it. Wow, now that is a big chip. This one definitely has a lot more of that flavor that the grilled squid one had. Yeah, there's something about this one. It tastes a little bit more of like those Frito chili pie tortilla chip or corn chips rather. Not spicy. Has a little bit of like a nice flavor to it, but it's not spicy. Okay, this next one is from Lay's Thailand. This one is called the hot chili squid flavor. This one was $2.19. Ooh, and these are like the little ridged ones. I like those so much. Not gonna lie, a lot of these taste very, very similar to me. It's like now that I have that general flavor in my mouth, like I really can't tell much of a difference between all of these flavors. I like them though, they're good. I thought this one would be spicy considering it's like got the hot chili squid name, but honestly, like it's got like a very mild taste to me. Okay, the last one we have is from Lay's China. This one is finally not a seafood one. This one is called roasted chicken wing. This one has that same kind of like ridged wave kind of texture as the grilled squid. And this one was $2.29. So this is what that one looks like. Oh my god. Yeah, this one totally tastes like a chicken wing, which is kind of crazy. Reminds me of very much like, not flavor-wise, but how similar it was to the actual name. Reminds me of like the roasted cumin lamb skewer one. That one tasted just like it. This one really has like a chickeny flavor to it, which is actually very good and very different compared to all the seafood ones I just tried. Okay everyone, so that is all of these snacks that I have tried. I do have to say with the chips, I feel like a lot of them were very, very similar to each other in comparison to the ones that I've tried in my last haul. Those just had a lot more like vastly different flavors. So then maybe that was my bad on just the ones that I chose, with a lot of them being those like seafoody, fishy kind of flavors. Overall, I did really enjoy them, but I don't think I would repurchase any of them except for maybe the chicken wing one, and the fried crab was really good too. So if you do want to try out anything from Weee, definitely check out the link below and you can get $20 off your first purchase and free shipping. And let me tell you guys, their shipping is so fast. Again, this order came like 2 days ahead of schedule, which was so unexpected, and I love fast shipping. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, link is below, and until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.